Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix file system error hyphen 21433221111, then let's look at the solutions. So this to fix this error requires only two solutions. The first one is we will look for command prompt, right click, run as admin, yes, and we will enter the input chk dsk space slash f space slash r and press enter. Then we press Y, enter, and this should check your disk for any sort of bad sectors or errors and should resolve the problem. If this doesn't work, or simultaneously we can also look for and perform this command command prompt, right click, run as admin, yes, and input this command sfc space slash scannow. Press enter and this should resolve the problem. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.